Hello to everybody, that's Martisha Sea and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you my painting, my creation of one of my artworks, what already was sold in a little bit different art style. But anyway, that's the vampire portrait. So if you like the content when the person playing with paints and give some knowledge, don't forget to subscribe on my channel Martisha Sea. Don't forget to check my shop at Etsy, Martisha Sea, and welcome to my Instagram, Martisha in the Sea. Yeah, so we started. How you can see, it's already a portrait. Someone's looks at us. So I'm all the time starting from the background. So I'm just working on the background and I start to create general shape. This is what I'm doing all the time. And I started to work with form, with shadow, and that's all the time like a game, really. And it's a little bit difficult to play with form when you don't have a sketch, for example, or the model, because the previous portrait I created from my imagination. For me, it was mysterious art from the beginning. There is example of my previous artwork. You can see it on your screen right now. I painted from my subconsciousness. I had the situation and my brain showed me that what for me that person is energetic vampire. So that was a pre-story for that painting. And pretty fast I sold that artwork. It was probably around 1 month after my personal exhibition. It was in my Etsy shop, and suddenly some girl from LA, she bought it, and she showed me the room where my painting will live, and I was a little bit shocked, but I was super happy because that person looks like the person with a taste for sure, and that person loved my artwork. So of course I was inspired to create new, and I understood with that portrait I can sell again, but I don't want to make the copy of that artwork. So it's like remix of the previous artwork. So this is the reason why I started to paint this painting. It's a little bit different style, of course, and here I used a brush. In the previous artwork, I didn't use the brush, I used just palette knife, and this is it. It was it. But on this artwork, I'm using palette knife, I'm using brush, and brushes, different kind of brushes, and I'm using fingers. A lot of things I'm made with the fingers, to blur the paints. And right now you see I'm working with the liquid paint. It really looks gorgeous. I don't know why, but when I'm creating dark or creepy artworks, probably for me it's like the psychotherapy. um, it's like I'm erasing and deleting black energy from my body and my soul, and I'm giving it to artwork. But from another part and another side, what I understood was all of these creepy artworks, I really love all of them. And I don't think well, they're scary. Um, and you see, like right now, I'm working with the fingers. And I think what it's very important when you're working on the paintings, you should touch the painting. Something should to be real, like signs uh, of my fingers. It's like the connecting me with this wall art. That's the small, not the big size. It's like 40, 30 by 11 or 14 by 12. I don't remember. You could check it in my Etsy shop. And I start to work on orders. So if you want to have something similar, more or less looks the same, and you like the idea, you can order that artwork with your sizes in my Etsy shop. So friends, that was Martisha Sea. Check my other videos. I have very interesting content for the people who's learning and who wanted to sell the artworks. And I have the content for the people who just want to create something beautiful or creepy. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to find the links in my on my Etsy shop. Don't forget to check my Etsy shop, Martisha Sea, my Instagram, Martisha in the Sea, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Martisha Sea. Oh yeah, so this is incredible artwork and me. I was with you like you was with me. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your opinion. Of course, don't forget to comment the video. I want to know, I really, really want to know your opinion about that, what you see. So for now, this is it. Happy Halloween and happy all of your days. Don't forget to be happy and don't forget to be yourself.